I uploaded my first short video and it went viral immediately. It gave me over 1,000 subscribers and 80k views, all because I uploaded it the right way. Uploading shorts isn't child's play. It's more than just pick, upload, add music, and post. It requires a strategy. Let's compare a professional upload with a casual one. I'll create 2 channels, Pro Upload, and Noob Upload. I uploaded an educational short to both channels, and the results shocked me. Casual got 700 views, while professional got 15,000 plus. What's special about the professional method? It directs your video to the right audience, helping it appear in the shorts recommendation feed. Upload incorrectly? YouTube sends it to uninterested viewers, increasing your swipe rate. High swipe rates lead to fewer views. In today's video, I'll show you how to upload shorts correctly, so they reach the right viewers and make them viral over time. Thought Balloon Step 1. Remove your myths and doubts. Let's clear the common doubts first. Keycap 1. Should you upload from a phone or a laptop? Right finger. Always use your phone. You can add a custom thumbnail on the phone, which isn't possible on a laptop. Thumbnails are very important, I'll explain why later. Keycap 2. Which app to use? YouTube, YT Studio, or Chrome? Right finger. Use the YouTube app for uploading, and use YT Studio for editing details later. Chrome isn't needed. Keycap 3. What's the best time to upload shorts? At first, I thought time didn't matter, until I saw the purple graph in YouTube Analytics. This graph shows when your audience is active. Dark purple equals fewer people online. Light purple equals more people online. If you upload when your audience is active, your shorts reach them first. If you upload when they're inactive, YouTube tests your short on new viewers who might just swipe away, hurting your performance. So, upload between 7 p.m. and 8 p.m., or whenever your audience is most active according to your analytics. If your short performs well with your audience, low swipe rate, high engagement, YouTube pushes it to more people, and it keeps growing. Warning. Step 2. Avoid these mistakes. Don't watch your own shorts from different Gmail accounts. YouTube doesn't count Gmail IDs, it tracks devices and IP addresses. If you try to fake views, it reduces your trust score, and the algorithm will suppress your channel. Don't panic if your first short doesn't go viral. YouTube tests every short separately, it's an experiment. Sometimes the first video goes viral, sometimes the 5th. Be patient. Musical notes. Step 3. Should you add music? This is a big myth. Creators often add trending music and think it'll make their shorts viral, but that's not true. Music can help or hurt, depending on your content. If your short is entertainment-based, funny, dancing, emotional, use trending music. If it's educational, avoid music. Why? Because music links your short to a particular trend. YouTube then sends it to people interested in that trend, usually entertainment lovers. If your video is educational, they'll swipe away immediately, killing your reach. So, face mask. Entertainment content. Right pointing arrow. Add music. Books. Educational content. Right pointing arrow. Skip music.
Pencil. Step 4. Writing the perfect title. YouTube's algorithm reads titles carefully, even if viewers don't. So write your title strategically. Include keywords. Add one emoji to make it more eye-catching. Optionally, include a hashtag, 1 to 2 only. Framed picture. Step 5. Thumbnails and details. You can select the thumbnail frame manually or create a custom one by adding an image at the end of your video, 0.5 seconds. Always make your thumbnail clear and clickable. Set your video to audience. No, it's not made for kids. Visibility. First, unlisted, then, public, at the right time. Keep remixing on. This lets others use your sound and gives you free promotion. Handshake. Step 6. Try YouTube's new collab feature. If you collaborate with another creator, your video will be shown to both audiences, increasing reach. Don't worry, you'll still keep 100% ownership and revenue. Brain Step 7. SEO for Shorts. Yes, SEO is important for Shorts too. Use title keywords, channel name, 3 to 4 relevant tags, correct category, e.g., educational, entertainment, etc. But don't overdo it, or YouTube might mark your short as spam. Calendar Step 8. Publish smartly. After uploading, don't keep refreshing your video. Views take time to update. Leave it for at least 24 hours before checking analytics. Clapperboard final thoughts. So that's the correct way to upload a YouTube short. If you follow these steps carefully, your videos will have a much higher chance of going viral. Also, I'm now active on Instagram. I post behind the scenes and quick YouTube tips there. If you want my next video on editing, just comment, editing, below. Once I get 5,000 comments, I'll make that video for you. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it. Meanwhile, watch my next video where I reveal the advanced formula for making shorts go viral. See you there, hand waving.